everyone. Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the latest and greatest in the world of cars and motorcycles. Today we've got something a little different, the iconic Vespa Super 300 2025 edition. Now, you might be wondering why we're featuring a scooter on a car channel, but once you see what this Vespa offers, you'll understand why it deserves its moment in the spotlight. First off, let's talk about design. Vespa has been around since 1946, and over the years, it's become more than just a scooter, it's a lifestyle. With the 2025 GTS Super 300, Vespa has stayed true to its roots while embracing modern technology. This model is sleek and elegant, with that iconic Italian flair, those classic rounded lines, the chrome details, and the unmistakable silhouette. It's available in some stunning colors too, like Nero Convinto, the dark, almost mysterious matte black finish that gives it such a premium look. Underneath that beautiful exterior, the GTS Super 300 is powered by a 300-seat high-performance engine, delivering around 23 horsepower. Now, that might not sound like a lot if you're used to cars, but for a scooter, especially one that weighs just over 160 kg, it's more than enough to keep things exciting. The acceleration is smooth and zippy, perfect for city streets, but the GTS Super 300 is also surprisingly comfortable at higher speeds. You can take it on highways without feeling like you're pushing it too hard. It really is a versatile machine. The suspension is a standout feature. It's got a single-arm front suspension that feels stable and really handles those potholes well. Paired with a set of wide, tubeless 12-inch wheels, the ride feels solid and balanced. The dual-channel ABS and traction control add an extra layer of confidence. Whether you're weaving through traffic or cruising along a scenic route, the Super 300 has the handling you need. Let's talk tech. The new Super 300 comes with an updated digital display that includes Bluetooth connectivity. With the Vespa MyA app, you can connect your smartphone for turn-by-turn navigation, call notifications, and music control, all right on the display. Vespa is bridging the gap between classic design and modern convenience here, and it really elevates the experience. Practicality-wise, the under-seat storage is big enough for a full-face helmet. And there's a USB port for charging your devices on the go. It's a small detail, but it shows that Vespa understands the needs of modern commuters. You've also got a spacious footboard and ergonomic seating, making it comfortable for long rides. So, why would you consider the 2025 Vespa Super 300 over a standard motorcycle or even a car for urban commuting? It's all about lifestyle. The Vespa Super 300 isn't just transportation, it's a statement. You're getting timeless design, practicality, and just enough power to keep things fun, all wrapped up in an iconic package that's built to last. For those of you looking to stand out in the city and enjoy the ride as much as the destination, the Vespa Super 300 might just be your perfect companion. Thanks for tuning in to New Brand Car. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on everything that's rolling out, from cars to the latest cool rides like this one. Let us know in the comments, would you choose a Vespa as your next ride?